Gandhiji's principles are not at all followed in these days. On top of that, on his birthday, his name has also been not remembered. People just think, okay, we have a holiday, we'll party, we'll go out, that's it. On top of that, he was a person who was against violence. Whereas these days, the violence is the first thing which has been followed, and then after that, the issues have been solved.
According to me, these days Gandhian principles don't apply because the patience which is required for following a Gandhian principle is not available or present in the youth of today, and not leave the youth of today, the population around has no patience at all.
Gandhian principles can be applied in today's world only when they are used in correct way, correct time and correct manner.
Gandhiji is a man of principles. Gandhiji is the one who gave ideals to India for following and for a better future. But somewhere today we have forgotten his principles and they are lost only in the paper. But today nobody practices Gandhian principles in their real lives. And the people who practice his principles are looking down upon.
To me, these days Gandhiji's principles are not followed at all, because Gandhiji was the one who was the strong believer of Satyagraha. He was the one who always told to follow the truth, and also he was the one who always encouraged people to wear khadi. Nowadays people are like more going and wearing foreign clothes and all those stuff. So Gandhiji's principles are not followed at all, and we youngsters should at least start something and start following him again. Thank you.
These simple principles: peace, justice, and non-violence. Everything that this man preached revolves around these three things of peace, non-violence, and justice. You get slapped in the face, put forward your other cheek. You might develop mercy in the opposition, and he might tone down. I honestly do not think that these principles are used to where they should be used. Yes, we do. We use them where it is visible the most. Gandhian principles are used when there is something happening in some part of the nation, and you get down on the roads and do a satyagraha or a candlelight march and show the media, okay, yes, we're supporting this. Is it used? No. Is it visible? Yes. Honestly and truly, to conclude, I say that Gandhiji is someone who never wanted to do something for visibility, wanted to do something that would bring a change in the core. And when we follow his principles, I think we should also take up this stand, and we should make sure that we use his principles where they are needed the most and not where they are visible the most. Secondly, we always use these principles for a third party, but when it comes to us, when it comes to ourselves or doing it ourselves, we hesitate. Because that time it's about ourselves, it's about our aggression, it's about our right. It's not only about you and me over here. It's these principles that are made for each and every one of us, and these principles are the way to go ahead. So truly and honestly, I believe that no matter how much people say that we do follow Gandhian principles, I think that in today's world it is just being followed to show something and not with the truest of spirits. Thank you.
When we talk about Gandhiji, I think we all fall in the same category, as our knowledge about him is confined to the books and whatever we've heard about it. I mean, not many people know actually what he was like and what he did and stuff like that. Regarding his principles, I don't think in the real world or in today's world they exist, because people are way too busy to do anything for someone else without any selfish motive. So that selflessness thing is missing in today's world. So I personally think that we need to work on this, because the selfish nature of people have actually penetrated the very fabric of this nation, and that's exactly what we need to work on. So yeah, that's my views on Gandhi's principles. Thanks.